Hello guys, my name is Vibhor Srivastava and I am an Oracle Apex developer. If you are a student or aspiring developer with zero basic knowledge about Apex, like what it is, how to create a form, how to create an interactive report, how to build to applications, so I have got your covered. I am starting a complete beginners series from the absolute basic with hand-on code examples every step of the way. If you like it, so please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Let's kick off his journey together. In case you have a note table, so you cannot create a form page. So first point, you should have a table. So I am creating a table. So I have created a doctor's table. So now I am going to a application. If you have no idea how to build an application, so you click to app builder, click to create. With the help of use create app wizard, you can create the applications. Application name like a doctor application. Inside the appearance have a multiple themes styles like Vita dark, redwood light. My favorite is a redwood light, so I'm selected. So inside the navigations menu have a multiple three navigation like a side menu, top menu, mega menu. Then create applications. So you can see that we have successfully created applications. Mail, email ID, password. So, so I'm going to create a home page. When you click to create page, you can see the form page options. You click it and fill this form. And select your table. Primary key is a doctor ID. So you can see that we have successfully created our form page. So I want to that my place value holder is a correct format, like a correct doctor name. Now we are going to create the trigger. Vibhor Srivastava. Now, row is created. Okay, I have no interactive reports. That's why I cannot see the data. But with the help of weekend, when I am going to my table, doctor's table. So as you can see, my data is inserted here. Created by this is my email ID and doctor number and doctor name. Okay. So this is my first video. How to create a form. Okay. And second thing, you can change the type or user interface. So that was part 1 in which I taught you how to create a form. In my part 2, I will teach you how to create an interactive report and explain its benefits in a simple way. Benefits of interactive report: easy to view data, search and filter records, sort data quickly and download data to Excel or PDF, create chart and summaries. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.